Hey, what's up, mans? I didn't say mans because I meant to say men and girls. I just said, hey, what's up, YouTubers? And I'm going to show you how to make a paper flapping bird. Yeah. I actually uploaded a video about I'm going to show you a tutorial how to make a flapping bird and a beaten heart. So this is that video. This camera is not actually HD because this is iMovie 2011. Yeah, it's not HD. Yeah. So let's get started. Okay, guys. Now, yeah, let's start. What you need is a piece of square paper, 8-inch paper. Yeah, to make 8-inch paper, you have an A4 size or something. You have to diagonally fold and just make it square paper. So what you really need is square paper, origami paper. So what you first do is you fold it diagonally. Look, you actually take this point to the other point like this. Got it? Then make a crease, a good crease. Yeah. And now here's our diagonal fold. Open it up and do the same thing. Okay, can you see this crease? Yeah, do the same thing by the opposite side of that fold. Just like that. You're not doing that fold again, you're doing it the opposite side. Now you have an X. Not really, right? Let me just make the good pieces by pinching them. Now you can see a good old X. Now what you do is you fold the paper in half to the other bottom. Now you have a half paper. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to fold it again like this. Okay? And you will have something like this, which has a diagonal liner. This is your model, okay? So yeah, now what you're really gonna do that you can see when you open it up, you have a cross and you have a plus sign, an adding sign, or a cross sign, and an X. See? Now, yeah, so this is your model when you open it up. Okay, now what you have is your model. Now what you're going to do is you are going to actually fold that diagonal fold again. And now what you're going to do, if you made really good creases, I have to move the camera a little so you can understand. If you made really good creases, you're gonna open this side up. Okay, this side up, just like this, not the other side. And then when you see this flap, you're gonna tuck. When you see this flap come, this flap, you're gonna tuck it right in. You see that it will look like this. Right. Now let me do it again. Diagonal fold, tuck it inside. Okay? Then it will look like this. Do the same to the other thing. Then it will look like this. See? And you'll tuck this in too. Okay, if you haven't learned it so well, this part, then go to Rob H0629's video. He has a more HD camera than I have. Yeah, and then when you press it in, it will look like this. See? It will look like this. And now what you do, good make creases. And then you'll notice if you made really good creases when you're tucking it in, you will actually notice a line. A straight line, right? You can't even see it, but if you can, then just do this and make a line in the middle. Just like that. Okay? And then what you're really gonna do is you're gonna make one flap and then just push it right here. Just like that. You see? Then do the same with the others. It will look like this. Flip it over, do the same. Okay. Now this is what you will have. And now this part you will fold it like this and then like this. Forward and back. And then it will look like this. Now what you're going to do is you're going to open it up and do the petal fold. If you do not know the petal fold, do Rob's video. He'll teach you the petal fold. Now I'm doing the petal fold now. If you don't know it, go to Rob's video and he'll teach you. Because I don't have much time. I think it's been 6 minutes. No, I think 7 minutes. And I can't make a video without 10 minutes. So yeah. Do the petal fold with each side, both sides. Okay. Now I'm doing the petal fold. Later on in the next clip, I'll tell you the bird mold. Okay. Now this is called the bird mold. Wait. This is actually not called the bird mold. Now this is the real bird mold that you see. It's like this. I did the petal fold. So now what you're gonna do is you see that the upper part is solid and the down parts are actually not joined. They are separate. So what you're actually gonna do is you're gonna open one side and then take this point to here, just like this. Okay. Now I have took the point that was right here, up, and above over here inside. Then I closed it. Now do the same thing with the other. Open, tuck it up, close. And then what your model will look is like this. Okay? Then you pull both sides up. Yeah, pull both sides out. Just like this. Until this edge, until this edge meets this edge. Yeah. Then it will look like this. Now you're ready, almost ready to make the whole bird, the flapping bird. Now what you're gonna do is you fold these two down. These are gonna be the wings, okay? And now I'm almost ready, and now this will look like this. Now fold the head this actually to your side, it's gonna be right. To this, into your side, it's gonna be actually left, but in this side, it's gonna be right. But when you're making it, you look like it's left. Now, you will fold the point to the other point, and it will look like this, the crane's head. Then you're done. You're done with the whole bird. Oh my god, this is the best bird I've ever made. Wow. What you're gonna do is you're gonna fold the wings back, and now you're done. Now to make it flap, you're gonna actually pull its, like this is the head, okay? Let's make a good crease. Now this is the head and this is the tail. Now you pull the tail and it goes down. Don't pull it so hard, because I pulled it so hard because it's the first time. So when you pull it, sorry. So when you pull it, it goes down, and when you like put it back, it goes up like this. See? It flaps. So yeah, have fun making, I hope you had fun making bird. This was a project of Simpson2468 by, and this was Abby recording. Uploaded on May 4th, 2000.